I went to Vintage Computing Festival in Berlin. So yeah, I'm currently walking to the festival. Yes, those places where there's a lot of vintage and old computers or hardware and even some self-made projects made by participants from this festival in order to make old machines still alive today and in the future, and even lectures. Yippee! Kind of. Where participants of this festival can take some time to explain to people why they have done their projects, some fun facts, and some useful information about certain topics, for example, something like how does a CPU work, differences between architectures, or how evolved C from B programming language, while also showing their own made B compiler source code that was reverse engineered and was able to be made with help of zeros and ones from old B-code programs. And the last one was actually really there. It was very funny actually to watch something like this. And wait, why funny? It was very interesting to learn about, yes. How do I get to know about this festival taking place near me at the first place? Well, this festival wasn't planned, I mean at all. I just went randomly on one of the Discord servers that I was in and read someone's comment about Vintage Computing Festival taking place. No, not in Berlin, in Zurich. That was when I wrote something like, that's cool, I would like to go there, but there isn't something like this in Berlin, at least a lot of big festivals, even good architecture, which people can argue on, actually, and so on, is usually placed outside of Berlin and the USSR side of Germany. Here I will cut a little, yeah, just a little. No, I have written actually a lot there, basically a whole page of my entire phone screen and more about this. So I like to complain, who doesn't? Then somebody mentioned actually about Vintage Computing Festival taking place in Berlin. And I was shocked actually, truly. And what do you think? It was on the next week. How dare! And it doesn't matter that I planned to do actually a video about the server topic during this time, and I wanted to record it. So I needed to delay that video. By the way, it will come out as a next video. And I went to this festival. Vintage Computing Festival, Berlin. VCFB. So I have gotten here with bus, now I'm heading towards the Vintage Computer Festival in Berlin. As you can see, it will approximately take 10 minutes and I will be there and we will see. So I am now almost there actually, and it looks kind of awesome. I do really like the architecture here. The architecture is awesome, actually. So I'm actually heading now towards the beginning, to the start of the festival. That's why it will be interesting to see what will be there. I do think you will see the camera really shaking because apparently I do not have a camera that has this, I don't know how it's called anyways. So it basically just makes it doesn't bounce when I'm throwing it. This camera does. LOL, lol, embarrassing for me. Here you can see it. Well, I'm there almost. The only problem is I've got actually where you're going with the park, or with the car, to get in the parking lot. Great. But I am almost there actually, as you can see. And I'm almost on the entrance to the building. But I was not there, and it was great. I had a good time there, actually. I saw all of the projects made by those people that took part in this event festival. There was even a big Game Boy Advance, I suppose, made from wood with an LCD display, and the back of it was open so I could record it. Sorry for camera that was shaking a lot. Interesting. Wow. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and I hope you liked this video. Actually, I wanted to record more footage, but it didn't go as planned. The next video will be about servers, and I will particularly do this with older hardware. I will show how do I use a server right now, give some tips, what do you have on it installed and so on. And also, if you're interested, I am currently willing to do a Discord server where everybody can engage and communicate. Yeah, maybe it will be interesting. And if I do the Discord server, it will be in the description below. So thank you for your watching.